Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, we're going to walk through how to apply a business visa to travel to Argentina. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also, I would like to clarify, neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. All right, guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you, I have opened this the website of Argentinian Embassy in India, and I have taken you to the visa section. So here they have specified the requirements criteria. So if you scroll down to this page, they have section for visa, business visa, where you can maximum stay for 2 months and 200 USD is the fee. Okay. So what are the things you need? Visa application form. Okay. And the passport must be valid for minimum 6 months from the date of entry and have at least one free page. Okay. So that they can stick passport. Two recent 4 into 4 centimeter color photograph facing front back. Okay. Invitation letter from the company, inviting company in Argentina. Letter from company for which applicant is working. Okay. Purpose of visit. The letter must be on company letterhead, signed by person in charge. Okay. That link got opened. It's in English and Spanish both. So I turned to English. So they have provided the requirements. Sample documentation is also there. Okay. For round flight trip reservation, short-term visits are like that, hotel reservation, evidence of funds, COVID-19 insurance, you can say health insurance, copy of valid latest visa, if any, consular interview, and they can ask for other documents too. Okay. Now, this is fine, but how will you submit? So this is open between their visa section for submission and collection. Okay. And it should be applied at least 4 weeks before expected rate of travel. Okay. All right. Fine. So now the question, like, you know where to apply, how to pay, and other things. Now let's go through the form. So here I have opened like a Ministry of Foreign Affairs, International Trade and Worship Argentina website. Here you can see that they have specified the requirements. Same business visa that we have seen. Here they have application form also, and they have letter of invitation also if you wanna open. So this is the visa form. Where is simple surname, name, father name, mother. This is English, so it's very simple to fill. Date of arrival, place, stay, references, date of departure, spouse, children, your prior visa and prior travel to Argentina, security questions, and that's it. It's very simple, and the same thing they have specified about photographs also that we have just seen. And with this, you can go ahead and apply. So thanks for watching this video, guys, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you. And yes, guys, in this should be in block letters and sign and print name in field 51. Where is 51? Okay, both. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.